This is Free Geography Lessons. Today we are looking at plate tectonics. In this lesson we'll cover what plate tectonics mean, the type of tectonic plates, the three main types of plate boundaries, and how plate movements cause natural hazards. Plate tectonics is the theory that explains how the Earth's crust is made up of large slabs called tectonic plates that move slowly over the mantle. This is really important to learn because the movement of these plates causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building. The Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle together form the lithosphere, which is broken into about a dozen major tectonic plates and several smaller ones. As shown here, these plates float on semi-molten asthenosphere below, which allows them to move. There are two main types of tectonic plates. The oceanic plates, these are thinner but denser and made of ballistic rock. These are found under the ocean. Continental plates are thicker but less dense and made of granite rock. They carry the continents. There are three main types of plate boundaries where plates interact: the constructive boundaries, the destructive boundaries, or the conservative boundaries. The constructive boundaries is when the plates move apart. Magma rises to fill the gap, creating new crust. This forms mid-ocean ridges and around volcanic islands, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. As shown here, the plates pull apart and new magma comes up. The destructive boundaries are when the plates move towards each other. One plate, usually oceanic, subducts between the other, melting and causing volcanic activity. This can create deep ocean trenches and mountain ranges. An example is the Andes Mountains. As shown here, the plate dives under the other. Conservative boundaries are when the plates slide past each other horizontally. This causes intense friction, building up stress that's released as earthquakes. A famous example is the San Andreas Fault in California. As shown here, the plates grind side by side. The movement of plates lead to natural hazards such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building. Earthquakes is when the plates suddenly slip. Volcanoes is where magma reaches the surface, especially at destructive and constructive boundaries. And mountain building, where plates collide, forcing land upwards. This is really important because it helps us understand where and why these hazards occur. So to recap, the Earth's crust is broken into tectonic plates that float on the mantle. Plates can be oceanic or continental. Plates meet at constructive, destructive, and conservative boundaries. These movements cause earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains. Now that you've learned about plate boundaries, you can explain how and why these tectonic plates move and the hazards they create. Try drawing diagrams of the three boundary types and label the key features to help you remember.